Aha, ay attention TV so bi akwaba ede eba so yenka asem no kre. Ni na ne sese pe lawyer ba ko no ne ope no asem pan de a na ye lawyer Mớcks Ampaw. O sese oye djuma ede ma chairman untimi odi ne chairman seat e wo Asante region na eno de nsem bi ba ko mienu bi atoto ede akoma ex-president John Dramani Mahama ene Asiedu Nketia ebusia yebeko ne akotie no ede aba na so ansa na Mika Second Basti Foundation ana asema asena medjumedi ebeso yenko ne nkotie na eba
ye fe ansa na modie na eba enti be reserve mo de no boss me hwe politics amu play no a me hu say NDC for mo hu ya kire mo because if you have Asiedu Nketia wo be do name at your age Asiedu Nketia wo kodi 80 never there. Over retirement, we open graduation about national. Over some of us, it will be a very interesting contest, and we are all waiting and see what will happen to NDC. And then let's look at the presidential material. I think before it's a nice gentleman, he comes in with a fresh face, and Mama thinks the presidency is you know, he owns NDC. I say NDC, apart from Mama, no any credible alternative. NDC party, because yes, as if Mama ni who are party any. Meanwhile, father na kwe wuko. It what happens if Mama into me and contest here. Then you see how I don't want to use the word foolish, but I want to use a nice word. Because he's a human being. Anything can happen to him. Mama can decide say on yet. Anything can happen to him. No, you're not preparing an alternative. Come on to fall back as alternative. So say, hey. So who takes over for Mama in NDC? That's my worry. You see, media, let me teach you law. Name Möcks Ampaw. And every Ghanaian would say, me. Then be to be kind people in this one. You don't need to be a party member or card-bearer member because under the laws of Ghana, every political party be a public entity. Every political party be a register and a register general as a public institution. And public institution, every member of the public, including me and you will stake. Whatever happens in NDC affects me and you. So, NDC for to make us say, me law. I'm talking law. So, although I'm a member of the NDC, I'm not part of them, no, but I have interest in what happens in NDC. Because NDC as a party, no, a public entity, you didn't make taxpayers' money and a show more because all my phobia, all my babbage elections are you didn't make taxpayers' money and the electoral commission. Now you organize elections more. Now will be a few president. It whatever happens in NDC, no, I have a stake. You also have a stake. That's why I have the right to talk about what is in NDC. So shut up there. Say who comment me and I am pano on the fear say mama law. May the law that I law. Say NDC MPP. You don't need to be a card-bearer member before you can speak. In fact, say me shena mama. Me bana more than I met me that court. I could seek interpretation. Say whether mama cry bana or bana. Na question no. I say man crime neba. Being a president, retirement, I did the Gracia. Now, also more than 4.5 years. Now, constitution is by 2 terms, say it's only 8 years. Now, I'm 4 years plus some months, 6 months. At most, we when you're about 6 months. Until your mama, not be the president, we're the president for 8 years, 6 months, which is against the constitution. These are all legal, constitutional issues. I have the right to test the law. The same way, say, be so close to MPP more. have the right to talk about it. That's why I mean so as an individual, me too so baumia any credit point. We end this MPP now for say make us do. You can go to hell because I'm speaking as a citizen. Now I have one right to talk to this, to criticize them, and at the same time to make my opinion known to them and my sentiments. Until with NDCD, main parabole say, Muba Mount Nando Duano so compete with Mama. Only I said, I'm say Mama knew our party in here because Mama caught for one term. What happens to NDC? These are the things you have to look at for. Mama inipa obetume fimu obetuma yare bibi betuma tuna obe ribufu na se minko bioma then NDC where is your candidate obedi gana for shamo. That's why some of us want to see people contesting Mama, preparing the grounds for a takeover when Mama is not there. Now but my politics no more about say Mama see if muti or mundi alternative. You are not helping Ghana. You the taxpayers money and abwamwa aye elections be amamo. Anytime I lecture ebube yemu 10 elections, try electoral committee. You see taxpayers money ebe so by some elections economic mamo. Only I say, when you are not organizing your party very well, I have to tell you very well. NDC, all is not well with your party. Munge proper organization. Only I say, no munge the face of Mama, as if Mama apart from Mama no will be a newer obe to take over the mantle and lead the party. It's not good for your party. It's not good for the nation. We need presidential materials, both from MPP and NDC side. Anything can happen. Anybody who wins, that wins. But you go for a party. What do I say? You go for Obia. When I say on your good material. Now, na obenya na abeda ni problem amagana. We don't sit down and allow that to continue. Until you may, I mean, no man, mon friend, mon cher madrid, mon friend, mon cher madrid, no man, mamudie, a WhatsApp line, Momo WhatsApp in a making kind, Mo WhatsApp in a making kind, Mo WhatsApp making kind of way, was that mean to be no Casal, but who was up in there? The Menoma tour over to my Casabini, the every travel screen as no by way dear. O text me, o was up in there, make kind na Ghana for sweet near also o worker. I can share my also children 0244 67 10 11 0244 67 10 11. See, Bomodiana Manenko Manenko 0244 67 10 11. O send it bapa na me kai. Well, you'll be so about it. Thank you, lawyer. Uye, Igwe, Baumia, and Kennedy, a perfect match. A winnable pair at all costs. This is from who? Pastor Justin. Let me show. Also agree with me. Pastor Justin, I'll say perfect match. Also, whatever dream. Good evening.
Lawyer Morris Ampaw and a yekoten a day a buy and ha and a mudimo ABC. University Foundation number no 054 8302 985 Macron.